Hey everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos and I am back with the daily giveaway, and today's giveaway is this gorgeous Popcorn the Bear stamp set, and it's so cute. Got this gorgeous Popcorn the Bear on there, and this has someone special, get well soon, for you, for someone special, and thank you. So it's a lovely Crafter's Companion Popcorn the Bear stamp set, and I'm also going to include some of these Project Life cards. It's got like a date on it. These are just very, very good for your journals, scrapbooking, lots of different projects these are great for. So I have a selection of these to include on today's giveaway, and we've got these little ones as well. Fill your heart with what's important, our never-ending story, hello, my story is, the best things in life are handmade, friends like you are one in a million, and there's another one of the best friends ones. So there's a selection of Project Life cards and the stamp set to today's winner. So let's get on and see who is the lucky winner of this gorgeous giveaway. Look how many, look, we've got so many in there now. I'm going to run out of tickets. So, okay, I'm going to give them a really good mix up there, because I've put about 60 tickets in here today. So, okay, you ready? Oh, I dropped it. Oh, whoever that was, I dropped you. Okay, so the lucky winner is ticket number 144. Now, I believe that this is one of today's numbers. So, if you received a message, you would have received your message today. So, this was one that was done this morning. So, have a look in your notifications, your activity on YouTube. Ticket number 144. Let me know if you are the winner. And my email address is in the in the description box below this video. So email me your name and address, and I will get this gift off to you. So thank you so much, everyone. All you have to do to take part is to comment on this video or any of my videos, and you will receive a raffle ticket for each comment. So ticket number 144. Take care for now. See you all very soon. Bye bye.